Lapor ke Patisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission nak benta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki Pulit ka Anti-Infiltration Directorate Meghalaya ha ka arpo tere uyayong arhaja pun rio. Kila pelong ka jing Talasi, ya ki kot kisla jong ki Nongbylla Jylla, Naduh Rilbong, Shah Nyomer Opashlong, kabarang ha po ka Jalu para outpost. Ha kani ka jing Talasi ki Pulit ka Anti-Infiltration, kila yoban arpo ngutam ki Nongbylla Jylla, ki bom dan ki kot kisla, bat ki badan ru ya ki kot kisla ki babiang. Ya ki bom biang ki kot kisla ki Pulit kila yalam no syathanan ban pelong ya ka jing toket ke bapnya.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ka snong no ngi kwayo sngo bahan ka snong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hina snong ki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ru ki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi yaki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala ban wan kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha ka Jylla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnot ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung project. Day ban shoot ho bakla. Habang warra yaki investment. Habang warra yaki bakum kini project. Net yang nga opi kabakaduk kajing mentoy. Kanlong yang ki kon samla.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.